This how-to video is going to show you how to find your settings for the coordinator that's hooked up to your system. So this one is going to be a USB based coordinator. Yours could be a remote coordinator, one that's on your network. But where you find this information is in the exact same, no matter which. So from your welcome menu, you're going to select the VT3000 core software. And what we're going to want to be is under administration here. We want to be in system settings. Select that here. Do it this way with the icons. Once you're on the system settings page, we want to go to service. And you can see there's options up here at the top. So what we want to do is select this coordinators. And then you'll have a list of coordinators. If you have more than one, just have one. I'll just have this one. Just select it. And basically this is the settings for your coordinator. It gives you that it's enabled, disabled. Disabled is obviously unchecked. Got the name, driver that's being used, the isolation code of the channel being used, the method it's being connected to. Since this one's USB, it's a serial port, USB serial port. And so this is the port on my computer that's using. Yours could be different. There's other settings for remote coordinators. Essentially, this is how you get there. If your technician asked you, they may want you to just take a screenshot of this and email it to them. Other than that, this will take care of how to find the settings for your coordinator. And I look forward to talking to you again.